എടാ നീ ആരും കാണുന്നില്ല.
ഓ നോ മോർ. Take like Gada, no?
Gada, yeah.
Even more a bit.
Oh, like this?
Resting your position.
Can it see me if I am talking? Like
you hold there, it's third viewpoint. Third person corner.
Then if I want to talk about the place, what should I say? Here, where?
Just take it front.
Okay. നമസ്കാരം. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ നിൽക്കുന്നത് ഹാമലിനിലാണ്.
Hamelin.
5 മിനിറ്റ് മുമ്പ് ഇവിടെ ക്ലൗഡി ആയിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പൊ
Sunny.
സൺസ്ക്രീൻ ഒന്നും ഇടാതെ ഇറങ്ങിയിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ല.
ഇറങ്ങിയ നീ
സൺസ്ക്രീൻ ഞാനിട്ടായിരുന്നു. രാവിലെ ഇറങ്ങിയപ്പോഴേ ഇട്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇതൊക്കെ നോക്കി കണ്ടൊക്കെ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
But if we go a bit more deep, then it will not be sunny, right?
Yeah, that's the whole point.
That's the unfortunate truth.
ഇതൊക്കെ പറയുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ മറ്റേ പറമ്പിൽ നടക്കണ ഒരു അനുഭൂതിയുണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ ആ ഫീൽഡൊക്കെ നമ്മുടെ അവിടെ കിട്ടില്ല. ഫീൽഡ് കുറച്ചുകൂടി അടിപൊളിയായിരുന്നു. തിരിച്ചു പോകുമ്പോ കാണാം.
നീ ബ്ലോഗിംഗ് ആണോ? നീ
ഞാൻ വൻ ബ്ലോഗിങ്ങാ. ഇന്ന് മുതൽ
യൂട്യൂബർ
ടോമിൻ എന്നറിയപ്പെടും.
ഇതുവരെ 18 കിലോമീറ്റർ,
18 കിലോമീറ്ററോളം നമ്മൾ സഞ്ചരിക്കും. ഏകദേശം 600 മീറ്ററോളം എലവേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. വേറെ ഏതൊരു വഴിയിലേക്ക് എത്തി.
ഇത് കൊള്ളാം.
എങ്ങും കാടും പടലും.
നടുവൊക്കെ പരിവാവും. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് എത്ര പഠിക്കണം?
അതുകൊണ്ട് അതൊരു നല്ല കാര്യമാണ്. ഇതിനൊരു 150 കിലോമീറ്റർ പഠിക്കണം.
1.5 മണിക്കൂർ. എനിക്ക് നിന്നെ കാണാം. ഇതും വെച്ച് വണ്ടി ഓടിച്ചാൽ
അതിലും വലിയ സംഭവമായിരുന്നു. വരുന്ന വഴിക്ക് 200 km/h ഓടിക്കുമ്പോൾ സൈഡ് മിറർ അങ്ങ് പറന്നുപോയി. സൈഡ് മിറർ പറന്നുപോയി. ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. സൈഡ് മിറർ പോയി. മേടിക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ
ഛത്രപതി ശിവാജി.
In Instagram, hello stick nation. Today I found this stick. You seen that?
Hello.
There is an Instagram group for everyone. It's okay. Angle doesn't matter. Damu.
Bodhi Dharma.
Damu. I can talk in Korean also.
Damu.
No. Vishnu. Yes. Hey, don't take the risk.
അതിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഫ്രിസ്ബി കളി. പിടിക്കാറില്ലാത്തവന്മാരെ കൊണ്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും? ഓക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞു. മഞ്ഞ് കാലത്ത് ഇവിടെ മഞ്ഞ് മേളിയും താഴോട്ട് പോകുന്നതാണ് പറയപ്പെടുന്നത്. ചുമ്മാ തള്ളിയതാ.
You're talking?
ഞാൻ ടോക്കിംഗ് ബ്ലോഗർ. Whatever comes in
Your head.
no, it's a third man point of view. It'll be like looking from the top. കാട്ടിയാതി പാട്ടും ലെഫ്റ്റ് റൈറ്റ് എടാ അങ്ങോട്ടുള്ള എലവേഷൻ.
Don't record continuously. Off for some time. Again on for some time later on. Okay. Required for main place. We are still not on the trick track.
Yeah. Oh, we are not.
See, that's why.
അപ്പോൾ സൈനിങ് ഓഫ് ഫോർ നൗ. സ്വിച്ച് ഓവർ. Now we are traveling through the road not taken. There is no path towards the place that we are going, but still we are going. I think it will pan out to get to the same route. It's kind of a shortcut, but it looks amazing.
I'll take it in the next stop. I'll see a new one.
Yeah, but
Nama 2.0.
But this tribal song is making me dance. Be careful. Go. Visionary. People will become visionaries when they are gone through this kind of situation. So since it's just about to get spring, all the trees have no leaves at all. And it looks kind of aesthetic, right? If it was completely filled with leaves, then there will not be any leaves underneath. You can't see the sun, it will be too dark. So now we have a crazy elevation coming up.
Oh fuck.
This is going to be
This is crazy.
Asusile Ata of the whole trip, I guess. Make sure you hold, then you have to have two hands.
Yeah, give the camera to me.
No, I am having vlog.
Vlogger Tomin.
No, take this somewhere.
Put it in this bag. What the fuck? The tree only broke. Put here, man.
Man, if you slip, you slip.
Oh, you can put in my back camera.
Back camera.
Like, put in my bag.
Oh, that works.
That's like safer. No, if you fall, there will no chance of
Getting that video.
saving it. No, saving the camera.
Oh,
If
yeah, that's.
like at least I can throw it away.
You have your left hand now. Right?
Yeah, now I have my left hand. Visionary Shivraj again saved the day. So you have to hold the trees, but the trees might fall.
So see the foundation. See the roots.
Yeah, talk. You can talk.
So we have to carefully navigate through this train.
This is
It's a tricky one,
the tricky one,
but
yeah.
nothing impossible. So we have young, enthusiastic
Sanchit
Trekkers.
Ravindra leading us. And
and
he's the truck leader for us. So he's giving tips to get down sideways. How are you feeling today? Do you want me to hold that? Okay, come. Huh?
okay.
Sideways nodu. That's what he said. Kannada gottaita. That's what I said. Yeah, it's okay. There will be a like grip at the end. When you are in the leaves, there will be a grip at the end. So it's sunny day. It's not damp, so it's fine to go like this. Maybe I can give it to Sanchit, who is the better trekker, so that he can actually save the camera instead. Me being paranoid, sliding over all these leaves. Looks fine to me, but still, it's his camera, right?
Can hold it.
No, it's okay.
No, it's fine.
The elevation got lower. We are going through some random routes. Not roots, but weeds.
What are you holding that for?
Huh?
You're holding this small
Holding?
branches.
With me? Where?
No, usually.
Some of them have thorns. So we have to be fast. That's what our leader is saying. Come on, come on. He's saying, come on. Just wait for us. We'll be there. Camera is holding me back. Do you want that? Oh, this. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതിലൂടെയായിരുന്നു പണ്ട് വെള്ളം ഒഴുകിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നത്. എങ്ങോട്ട്? അടുത്ത വില്ലേജിലേക്ക് ഇതിലേക്കൂടെയായിരുന്നു വെള്ളം ഒഴുകിക്കൊണ്ട്. Just kidding, but yeah, maybe there was water. Looks like there was some water going through it. Oh, that was an easiest way than this. Okay, but yeah, it looks fine. Grip ಬೇಕು. There is another water coming in, but it's like a who pissed, I don't know. Looks like somebody pissed in the top of the mountain. That's it, nothing else. See you. So if you roam around in Germany long enough, you will feel that this will become a waterfall. But if you have been to good waterfalls, this will be like a stream. Someday. Frisbee is coming. Yeah, the first fucked up frisbee challenge. It's you can drink, it's downstream, so it's fine. It's directly from the mountains.
Minerals.
There will be a lot of minerals. There will be extra bacteria. Don't take chance.
If your body is good,
It's fine. If you have the immunity, if you have the opposite genders of those bacteria, that's fine.
Bro, let's start, bro. Let's go.
Vlogger Changu.
Hey, stop, man. Stop. Save the battery. We have not yet started the trip.
Save the date. Man, it's off.
No. Side button, side.
No,
Long side. It's recording now? Yeah, it's recording.
Roots are not strong. Hey, it's a bit scary, man. Do you really want it?
Hey, Sanjit. Husharo. Bro,
Huh?
you start madenge varake. Late
Okay.
agate.
Oh, it will take time, right?
Huh.
Or should we also come like that? Wow, how straight, man? It is deep.
No, man. Have a look there, man.
It is deep, man. Like it is like.
No, you.
Yeah, we are in the most elevation that we can go today. Probably around 45 degrees. There is Sivraj, who took off his jacket. And the music is enticing. It's making us to be in the wildlife. The Red Bull guy is already on the top. He said that. What did you say?
Satan.
Yeah, say some words. Aditya.
I'm good.
I'm good.
Walk.
I'm good. Walk. He won the water, it seems.
Water. Follow me. Bucky, you should do to a girl like this. Water.
Come. Come. He told me that it's just a walk. Now it turned out to be not just a walk.
Still climbing.
Still climbing. I think he told something wrong. It's not just 500 meters of elevation.
You'll get the water there.
It's not 500 meter elevation. It's much more than that. Or maybe I underappreciated it. Okay. Yeah.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm okay.
See, the leader has put his bag down. You can have the stick. I will take the bag. Whoa, man, you are carrying this.
It's heavy.
Hey, keep bro. Water you don't want.
Ah, water. Oh, he
we
said that
can
we'll
stop
get
by
water.
near
Yeah,
the-
it's a water break.
We can stop by near the
And
lake.
signing off.
Some see. We'll see. Shama. Crazy elevation, right?
But if we,
Songs, bro.
when we get
You
down,
asked
it
the
will be
glacier
hard.
one, no? Little more than this.
Oh. It will be harder when we get down.
Actually, I should tell you a truth, which I usually don't tell after starting. We are going on the reverse path, which I wantedly did.
Reverse path, what is that?
So this was a downhill actually for us.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, it's better to be this on uphill.
No, it's difficult. But
Oh, please stop.
uphill burns more and builds more. That's the reason I do that. Go. Path will be there. Hey, why song is not playing? Yeah, but this is a viewpoint.
The thing to view is from it.
So we are at the
Oh, vlogging.
viewpoint. Let's see how it is.
Let's see how it is.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
crazy. Nice, man. Approved. Viewpoint, approved.
How much above sea level?
390.
390? Okay, not yet. 600. Oh, you are taking video, right? Good.
Blossoms. It's beautiful. So, what do you think? Sanjit Durga, are you 60% satisfied?
Viewpoint doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Out of whose because.
Okay, then
Hey man, you want your
go down with
sunglasses?
this gear and come back.
Huh?
Go down to this road.
Yeah, you can do that if you guys wait.
New videographer is coming in.
Hey man, tired? You're sweating like hell. Yeah man.
Causes smoke.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Cause of smoke.
This causes smoke. That's why I'm sweating.
No, that's
Depend how much you're
like it's like
I've been smoking a lot like
what to say? Yeah, somewhere near Munnar.
box.
Seeing the Tamil Nadu from here. It looks like that, right? It looks like seeing Tamil Nadu from
So guys, you can see the shining thing coming there. From there towards the right, it's Kerala. Towards the left, it's all about Veerappan place. And where we are standing, it's
David Ibrahim.
Dawood Ibrahim's. So you can see a path there that's been built by Veerappans, and we are right now waiting with our Faujis here to welcome them and backstab.
Faujis.
Yeah. Chama. Tima.
No, it depends, bro. How you smoke also depends.
How you smoke?
How you smoke means
How much
once
you
in
smoke?
2 days.
No. If you're smoking, then you should eat garlic.
Huh?
If you're smoking, you should eat garlic.
Uh-huh. But it helps or what?
New information. Garlic plus smoke.
Yeah, I eat a lot of garlic powder.
Not garlic powder. Garlic.
From morning to evening, he's eating garlic powder. He's take one puff.
If you are like, and you want to smoke,
Song was
just eat
being
garlic.
played. So whatever you see there, you can see a gust of wind. That's Genghis Khan's army coming us towards Dawood Ibrahim army.
Eh?
And there is Veerappan on the left side. We are trying to build a Trishula Vyuham.
And we'll attack
with-
Kerala.
Yeah, and so there is Bahubali who is Prabhas camoing in our war with Trishula Vyuham Bayurmukham.
Rajamouli, man. He's Rajamouli.
And you can see the shining path there. That's the gold of KGF shining.
Oh,
Arey wah.
I forget that.
And if you see the turbine, what is it? Wind
Wind turbines.
Yeah, that Buchakras.
Oh, actually, you can't see it. It's too misty now.
Just,
but there
so
is.
The thing is, it's Prashant Nil area. It's basically black. You can't see anything. Just wait for the storm to come. Salar is coming.
Now you can see the eagles.
Yeah, see there, eagle. Genghis Khan songs. You can listen. They are singing. You can listen. See, they're approaching.
They're approaching. Give the siren, man.
Oh. Crazy. Actual Genghis Khans.
Why are you tired?
Cigarette man.
He wants cigarette, that's
So,
why he's tired.
as a plenary warning for everyone, don't smoke. Prime example.
Prime example.
ಈಗ ತೋರ್ಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ವರ್ಷ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಎತ್ತಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸೇರ್ತೀರಾ ಬ್ರೋ? ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ?
Hey! 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 Hey!
Now which side we have to go? Left, right?
Back.
We have to go on another mountain.
Ramu! Speed was that? That guy, how does he bark, man? Perfectly bark. He went to Mongolia yesterday. Same singer. This singer who's singing right now. You would have seen in some YouTube the green color guy on the mountain. He'll be doing that violin kind of thing and he'll be singing.
Yeah, I think
So he was there with him. That guy is doing this stuff. In middle, this guy is giving remix. And it's singing perfectly.
He also did
Bro, he's completing what human can do. Every country is doing the best there. In China, they...
Brother,
Louder now.
what is that? Yeah, it's a tombstone
Yeah, but...
of a kid. So it's written like Wanderer Habart. And these are Stella Feru.
English like
Ferungluk.
Ferum.
Ferungluk.
And
Ferunglukli.
Churasurituripturakin.
Some kin.
Yeah.
Kin.
Rix. Surname is Rix.
Surname is Rick. Renal Rick, and he was he died. Actually, he was murdered here in 1956 by a serial killer.
Oh.
So he killed a lot of
Who
people.
was only targeting kids. And this area was restricted at that point of time.
Yeah.
Why was he only?
He was only 13 years old. Why was he here at 13 years old? That's the Indian
That's
mentality.
No. He wasn't here.
He
The
bought.
serial killer bought him here.
Oh
Oh,
fuck.
bro, it might be like
Motherfucker.
that same serial killer who was like 12 people he killed.
No, that was Hearts Mountain.
Oh, that's Hearts Mountain.
There's another one serial killer.
We were talking
Man,
about
actually,
it.
so I have a like. If you take all the German-based movies or German movies that I have seen, at least now, at least 80% of them is related to some serial killer,
tell you
somebody kidnapping and
No,
putting
no,
them
no.
in the down.
I have
under
an
the
answer
down.
for that.
Yeah.
Human, like, if you take a natural human, everyone are sadist.
Yeah.
For an example, you're going on a road and you see a gulp of people, some accident, and you go see just a scratch on his leg. You thought, yeah, it should have been a big accident.
Uh-huh.
It comes in your subconscious mind. People don't accept it. The same way, why Germans are that violent at that point of time was Nazis were too much into experimenting. So they were picking up kids.
Yeah, but see.
And the nature continued.
Yeah, I
But
also heard.
you can't describe a man's serial killer's mind. He has some purpose, or he might be with his own purpose. He was just doing for fun.
I am not just saying about serial killing. People kidnapping kids or women, whatever, and keeping them under their hood.
Yeah.
Like not letting
that's
them
their
even go
fantasy.
out.
Even which is going on right now in
And even I have heard from one of my colleague who was 60 years around. He said like his parents, his childhood was traumatized.
Yeah,
So almost all of them in that
I
era
heard it.
is like like the authoritarian dad
So
and
Germans are very curious about experimenting on humans, the natural common people also, and that's what drove them to like sane people.
yeah, the mindset. It's like
The mindset, basically.
this authoritarian mindset.
And
was
at that point of
all
time,
like
see, at that point of time also 15 to 17 years was the, so if you take about war, a troop from Germany, 15 to 17 years kid were 70% occupied. So 15, 17 were termed as adults at that point of time. So the maturity was starting like, not like, what is it, puberty or something, not physically, but the mental stuff was starting way before 9 years, 8 years.
somebody thought there was a serial killer in there.
Yeah, no problem.
That is him.
At least you have a purpose.
Maybe the soul of that serial killer is still living in you.
Yeah.
In the next generation.
I wish he
Don't
comes
kill
into
me,
me.
man. I'm not 8.5 or something.
I wish I meet some serial killer, bro.
13.
13.
Not 8. That was attention.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. The loving memory of
See you, bro, wherever you are.
Be happy.
Please contact me.
Ray.
Please contact
Man,
you.
what's the spelling in the first sentence? I still can't get it. Like Reka.
R-E-H-A-L-E. R-E-H-A-L-E.
Rehalarik. Rehalrik. Rehalarik.
Rix.
Rix. Rix is there. Yes, is
Let's
there.
go.
Rix means
Okay.
a German name.
Yeah. Serial killers likes view and doing some shit to the kids. Fuck. Sad. And it happened 75 years ago. So now people have changed, I guess. But still there would be people like this. Yeah. Monologue.
Play the Irish song of that. Drunken Sailor. Ranjit.
Yeah, bro. Let it finish. Have you been to Bastille Bridge?
Yeah. What? No.
Yeah. What? No.
Where is
That's
it?
also nice.
Where is it?
Lower section. Near to Dresden.
I've been there. But it's called Bastille Bridge or Bastille Brücke? Yeah.
Bastille Brücke. Nothing English.
Where is your company near to Alpha Harbor?
Opposite to this. Opposite to Baumwald.
No.
There's a old.
No.
I'm cameraman now.
എങ്ങനെയാണ് പഠിക്കണ്ടേ?
Like Gada, right? Like Gada.
ATM one.
Above, other side.
Back side. You are near to the Thai restaurant. Back side there is one Thai restaurant.
That's a Chinese, right? One Tunisian guy was ready to come.
Tunisian.
Have a classmate. Have you played any time GTA 3?
No.
Have you seen a GTA character, the hero, who is
Franklin.
Buzz and looks like a Middle East guy?
Yeah, I think
Exactly that him. I call him GTA 3. He's from Tunisia. His ancestors are half French, half Middle East, another half from Africa. He was actually ready to come, but he knew if I would have not told him. No one has a car, man, in our class. Fuckers, everyone has a job, can't make a...
Only Tommen has a job. As
No,
a guy.
bro, no. Everyone, if I ask, they're like, I want to settle here, I want to find my love and settle here. Some have their love and no license.
Tommen's belly dance.
You know this?
Yeah, yes, I know.
Everybody, brother, everybody. I come from everybody. There is a fighter from Chechnya.
Yeah.
Till date, he has an unbeatable record, 29-0. And after every fight they win, they ask the winner whom you want to fight next. And they asked him when he won second fight. Everybody, brother, everybody. You get anybody after 30 minutes, give me a 30 minutes break, I'll fight.
J'ai le souvenir de Madame Nicole. Un sprint, je pensais qu'un nous n'était pas fait pour les
Yes.
poches. Je portais un velours, des
No, no, this is French, right?
hurlait un chandail ou des plaies basses.
I play on YouTube.
On ne savait même pas encore que j'existais. Mais sois sûr que le premier qui nous a vu, c'est des discours. Tant
It's
jeune,
French, right?
innocent,
It's
la
French.
mort volée sans filet. On squatte le bac à sable avec le sable et les idées. Afin de faire du vandalisme, même sans le savoir. Parents n'ont pas, donc on erre sans savoir.
Investiere wirklich provisionsfrei. Mit Trading 212, dein deutscher Broker.
ഇപ്പൊ ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോയാൽ കണക്കാം. ഫ്ലൈ ഏതോ ഒരു ഫ്ലൈ ഉണ്ടായിരം ഫ്ലൈ. എടാ പക്ഷെ ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെ വെക്കുമ്പോ ഇത് അനങ്ങിക്കൊണ്ട് നിൽക്കുമല്ലോ ഈ ക്യാമറ. ഇത് അനങ്ങിക്കൊണ്ട് നിൽക്കൂലേ ഇവിടുന്ന്?
It's still playing?
I think so.
Yeah, bro, why? Simply.
Then turn it off.
You told. You have to tell stop and wonderware. കാടിനുള്ളൊരു വീട്. നമുക്ക് ആ വീട്ടിലൊന്ന് കയറി നോക്കാം. Come on.
Trespassers will be prosecuted.
Prosecuted?
Prostituted.
Prostituted.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, he said.
Pedal actually, but once you pedal it, it will start automatically. You can't stop it.
Somebody is inside.
Oh, I think someone is doing all that.
Somebody is.
Crazy.
Hello.
We can close back here.
ഇതൊരു ക്യാമ്പിംഗ് പ്ലേസ് ആണ്. This is a camping place.
I expected some beers.
So you can put your logs in. Not the logs in.
Someone came in 13/5/18.
13-5, no way. Oh, 13-5-18. Okay.
Below that,
Ali.
27/5/16. Chris and
Whom are they
Christiana.
waiting for?
Christian
Not a waiting
and
place, it's a
something.
camping place.
And
Hunch.
Can it be called a camping place?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Nomenclature
someone-
matters.
Leader approved.
Leader approved. There are a few Germans. Maybe they will also join us. They have a cigarette. I don't know. But I don't smoke. എന്ത് പറയാനാ?
Should we also write our name?
No, no, no.
Come, bro.
I don't like that shit. Oh, this is in Sundal Tom Hohensteins Mitte. About
Sundal
Mandy Sundal Computer.
1973 at 400 meters.
So Wanderer doch mit der Bitte.
It's a 400
Haus
meter,
Wenker Raum schonen für Dritte. Oh, it's like a poem.
Bomb.
Yeah.
Man.
See, it's like a poem.
Okay. Bomb.
In Sundeltom. Hohenstein Mitte. About Mandy Sundal Computer. Für Wanderer doch mit der Bitte. Haus Bunker Raum schonen für Dritte. What does that mean?
Nee.
You know German, na?
Yeah, I
He is the
haven't heard
C1.
anything, man.
And you?
I am B1.
Bitte
So this is like a
Italy നിർമ്മിച്ചു മൻ
Sundal Kam Hütte. So Sundal Kam Hütte is the name of the
This
Hütte.
is the place, please.
With the request to make
House room, make
keep it
house room.
clean.
in order.
Yeah.
House Banker. What is Banker?
Bank.
This
Sitting
place,
bench.
Banker Raum Schonen für Dritte. Okay, the
so
next
that's
third
next
person.
person,
Oh, fuck, that's good.
Crazy man, you are.
You are Steven now.
You translated, not me. Yeah, translator. Rajan P. Dev.
Rajan P. Dev.
No, I'm calling you Rajan P. Dev. It's okay.
Rajan P. Dev. What's that name?
It's an actor's name.
Rajan?
Rajan P. Dev.
Who's that?
It's an actor. That's it. So when I hear Shivraj, I always think
I
about
don't
Raj.
act, man.
Raja.
Hey, come bro, let's see.
Rajav.
I don't act, man.
You are genuine. Yeah, I know.
So
You
don't.
can take this plate. This plate.
House fart.
How's that? Okay. When you leave a place, there will be a Einfahrt and an Ausfahrt. So when you reach the Ausfahrt, you have to stop the camera.
പോരട്ടെ ഡാൻസ് മാസ്റ്റർ വിക്രം എലിയാസ് ജാക്സൺ എലിയാസ് പോയി
ഞാൻ ഡാൻസ് കളിക്കുന്ന വണ്ടി നിർത്തിയത് പാട്ട് നിർത്തി
പോയില്ലേ പതുക്കെ
ഇതൊക്കെ വെള്ളം ഒഴുകുന്ന വഴിയാ സത്യമായിട്ടും
ആവാം
ആ കെറിവ് കണ്ടില്ലേ
Curve. Look at the curve. How beauty it is. How beautiful it is. Yeah. Still okay. Whoa. It is too slippery. So no, we are taking another path. So guys, we are taking a shortcut. Vlogging, guys. Come on guys. Hello guys. Chalo. Oh. വണ്ടിയിൽ വന്നാ മതിയായിരുന്നു.
Down here,
So the trek.
take some time, climb back, again get down. But we just ate now, right?
Huh?
ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ bro, late ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Yeah man.
Hungry?
Yeah, I can eat anytime.
Hungry ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, late ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಯಾ ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್
Yeah.
ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಗೋ
Yeah.
ಫ್ರಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್
ಊಟನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೆವಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ.
No, I want break, not uta. Break. Proper
break.
proper rest for next.
Why to take a long path, we take a shortcut.
Adventure number 2. Starting തന്നെ
telling to not go.
Wait. Go until there and come. Then we will decide. എന്നിട്ട് ഞാൻ പറയാം ഞാൻ വന്നുണ്ടോന്ന്. അല്ല അവൻ പോയിട്ട് കാര്യമില്ലല്ലോ അല്ലേ, അവൻ നല്ലാന്ന് പറയുള്ളൂ. സൂപ്പർ വഴി അടി കയറി പോരെ. Take a photo and don't you know say whatever it said, you'll say come.
Oh, crazy.
Hey.
Huh? All good?
Bouldering.
It's not that. It's not that effective.
You thought I will try. ഇതൊന്ന് ബോൾഡറിങ് ചെയ്യാന്ന് പോലെ അല്ലേ, നാച്ചുറൽ ബോൾഡറിങ്.
ഇപ്പൊ വീഴും, ഞാൻ വീഡിയോ
First of all, you need to know how to boulder. Second of all, it should be good. വള്ളിയുണ്ട് സൂക്ഷിക്കുക.
Oh, there is this plant man. Look here for the leg.
ഇതിന് അതിലേക്ക് ചെല്ലാം. ഓക്കെ,
Go cross. See, I'll show you. If you want to reach there, you can go circle.
Can you hold it?
No.
Oh, it is. It is still recording.
Okay.
more weight on that.
Now we need it. Should I hold it back?
Okay.
Go back. Don't steep.
Like that?
Yeah.
Crazy. All good? Yeah, take like that, and that's the right. It is not meat. Oh, that meat. I was thinking this meat.
Get down now.
Yeah, man. Let's.
Hey, we could have taken one group photo here.
Yeah, let's take.
Put this. Oh no, now things are going.
Come.
First.
And then go. Keep going. I'll take one photo. Go, bro.
Where I should go?
We'll go.
Where?
Home.
Direction പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്
What do you
saying?
see?
You go. I will take photo and come.
എടാ നീ എനിക്ക് ലൊക്കേഷൻ അയച്ചാലില്ലേ?
Huh?
That you are the one for me, 'cause it gets so hard to breathe when you're looking at me. I've never felt so alive and free when you're looking at me. I've never felt so high.
ആര് ഇപ്പോഴോ?
I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime.
എടാ വേറെ ആരൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട് എന്നുള്ള കാര്യം പറ.
ഞാനാ നീ പ്രജ്വൽ ആകാശ് ഒരു ബാംഗ്ലൂർ മലയാളി നോട്ട് ആംഗ്ലോ മലയാളി ബാംഗ്ലൂർ മലയാളി
He was brought up all over India.
His parents are from Kerala,
Born in Uttar Pradesh.
lived in Bangalore.
Oh, no. He was.
We were there, right? Hey, car is not here. Next man.
എന്താ ഇത്ര ചിന്തിക്കാൻ?
നിനക്ക് ഇനി എത്ര ലീവ് ഉണ്ട് കൊല്ലം?
ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ എല്ലാ ലീവും ബുക്ക് ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചേക്കുക.
ആ ഇപ്പൊ ഈ ആഴ്ച നിന്റെ ലീവ് പോയില്ലേ?
Which road? Which road is the car?
Hey, bro, car. I think this and right.
Yeah, man. Hello. This road. I remember.
What road?
Darsan. Here you should go.
Hey, left, right, man. Here, straight.
Straight and
Right.
Right.
Yeah, there. brother.
This was the left at it.
Place name is Darsan.
Jefferson.
There it's 20 kilometers. I have to walk. So it's somewhere like in this kind of place. Yeah.
And then?
So we went like this.
Oh. When you look, it's huge, man.
Tocas mi piel, tú saciarás mi sed. Oh, voy a enloquecer. Dime lo que vas a hacer. Dime lo que
Something is
vas a
getting
hacer.
See that house?
Yeah, man. I don't know. Eh?
Solar panel.
No, I don't think so.
This thing.